You might not know us, but he has a Volkswagen, and I have a lowered truck. What that makes us? Beaners. Anyways.
So here's the thing. I have a Volkswagen GTI 2018. Right here, the first big box you see is Performance by Integrated Engineering. This is a cold air intake, so we're going to be installing that today. Also, I have a rear wiper delete kit. Also, along with this, I have a hydraulic hatch pop kit.
We're going to start doing the unboxing right now.
Alright, want to do the honors?
I'll let you do the honors. This is your part. You've been waiting so long for it. So, go ahead, man. Look at that cut, man. Sheesh! Woo!
Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, a whole bunch of... Ah, yeah! This is the gold in here. Alright, so want to do the honors in opening this little box?
Yeah, I'll do the honors for that.
So we got in this box.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Got the filter, man.
And then we got the silicone, part of the silicone hose. Here's one piece right here. This is gonna be the coolant line. Damn. Okay, I'm pretty sure this also goes along with the silicone hose. And then this is part also for the silicone hose. That goes in the middle. And then this one, it goes into the turbo inlet and then goes directly to the intake. And then this is through the vent hood. This goes through the vents.
Okay.
Under the hood.
Alright, let's get this big box out of here. Alright. Alright. So far, everything looks really good. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, that looks really nice.
That's the platinum badge on there, I guess.
Sheesh. So that shows up?
Yeah, that's gonna show up on when you open it.
Okay.
Open the hood.
Very nice.
It's gonna look very nice.
Okay. You wanna box this one too? Or you wanna leave it packaged?
Nah, I'll just open it. Dude, what am I doing, bro?
Sheesh. That's nice. Good shot.
Okay, these are gonna be the hydraulics for the vehicle.
Alright, so we got this. Oh, you forgot the bolts, man.
Oh, it's right here.
What you gonna do with the bolts? Alright.
Let's keep those intact.
So, this is made by
ECS Tuning.
Alright. See, that looks very nice. High quality.
Yup.
Yeah.
They're hydraulics.
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 They're doing their job.
And then this is just the rear wiper delete kit.
Yeah, because
all it comes with is just
this part.
And most people that have these cars, they just delete them more like for convenience purposes, and I feel like this is a great way to just like get rid of it. Cause all you hear when you turn on, all you hear, bro.
So this is basically just gonna be aesthetics.
Purposes, yes.
Okay. So you don't really need the rear windshield wipers.
Not really.
No, you don't use them.
Way
so we know this is not gonna add any super speedy boy gains or horsepower.
Yeah, this isn't
maybe
gonna be too
slightly,
much.
but not noticeable. But we're here for the noises. We don't care if it's gonna go faster.
Yeah.
Look at this. This just looks so beautiful. And it looks nicer than anything my truck has on there.
Bro, this is gonna be like Beaners installing a German car, bruh. Do you know that Volkswagen GTIs actually are manufactured in Mexico too?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
So you know.
So how much did you say this ran you in your pockets?
This was $379 after tax.
Oh, that's really cool. You get a little cozy for your drink, for your solita, because
Put it in the cup holder.
Next clip, we're gonna show off the parts real quick for you guys, so you guys can see everything in its beauty. And then after that, we will be installing the parts, and then we'll do a nice review, show you some sounds. But anyways, let's get to it. Alright guys, so our plan was to install it at home, and there's a problem. It's starting to rain. So now we're going over to my boy's Arturo's apartments, and and there they have like little like not shed, like little spots where they have it's covered up, and so we can just we can install it under there. Yeah, this is the car right here. We just pulled up to Arturo's house. You need to clean your wheels, buddy.
It's fine.
It's a very nice car, man. She got everything out. Listos? Ready? Alright, we're about to install this and give you guys a little review on how it sounds. Alright guys, so we just finished up real quick. Look at that. So clean.
What?
Looks super clean.
Trying not to blows up.
I just made the engine bay look 10 times cleaner. Think it's gonna sound louder?
I think it is.
Yeah.
You're gonna hear more of the airflow.
What do you think, Jacob?
Better.
Better?
Yeah.
I'll return it. Got the full parts. He's gonna keep him just in case. That's good. I don't know. And then right after, we're just gonna hear how it sounds, and then after we're gonna install the hydraulic. What are they called again?
The hydraulic hatch pop kit.
And then also the windshield wiper delete for the rear.
Way better.
Yeah, imagine if the blower. Alright guys, so far we got the springs in there, so it opens automatically. We got that in there, but now we're just struggling on this thing right here. Can't put it in, and then the videos don't show anything. And then we got my boy stressing over here. Alright, so we just finished up getting wet then. You want to show them what we were talking about, the hydraulic springs?
Oh yeah, so these are the new hydraulic springs. So basically what it does now is that once you close it, you don't have to like pull it. All you gotta do is press the button.
That's nice.
Yup.
And what about the back? What do we do back here?
Here we finally removed the.
Now it's just a little button.
That's a little button.
Now you won't be able to clean it.
It's okay. That's why you gotta rag.
Now let's hear the Mustang start up.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Exactly. Cold start.
Is that what you need?
I need that valve out.
Alright, so recently we installed an IE intake to a Mark 7, his Mark 7, and supposedly it was going to increase 15 horsepower, which we weren't looking for increased horsepower, but that's what they're stating. That's what it does. And the materials that it was made out of, it was black powder aluminum and silicone hoses, just in case you want to know all that. But I'm gonna give him some questions right now, see what he thinks about the product, if he liked it or not. So we're gonna start off here with durability. On a scale 1 through 5, what do you think was the durability on this?
I'll give it a 5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you give it a 5?
The stock airbox that it comes with and the intake, it was made of plastic, so I feel like those would like wear out more faster and easier. And well, this comes with aluminum and silicone hoses. The silicone would help with heat, and the aluminum will also help with that. So more airflow, and that's more durable.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was a good thing that they added that little other extra for just in case you get a bigger turbo, you know.
Oh, it has an extra silicone hose for a bigger turbo.
That's
yeah.
pretty good. All right. So performance-wise, Did you notice any 15 horsepower gains? Horsepower gains? Did you notice any 15 horsepower gains?
Well, you can't really feel it, but it makes you think that it is faster, but it's probably not.
All right, 1 through 5. What do you give that?
I'd give it a 4.
4.
Yeah.
4. Okay. Next up, aesthetics. When you
Mhm.
open the hood, do you enjoy opening the hood?
Yes, I like to show it off, you know. And some people like, hey, look what I got under the hood, and they're just like, oh shit, what is that?
Looks clean.
It looks clean, makes it look way more cleaner.
Yeah. So on a scale of 1 through 5, what do you give it?
Yeah, 5.
5.
Yeah.
Right. The price was $379 with taxes included. Would you pay that again?
For this product, yes.
Yeah.
I would.
Okay. 1 through 5. Do you think it's too cheap or too expensive? 1 through 5. What do you give it?
Well, for the quality and for everything else that we've talked about recently, I think it's a 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Yeah, cause I've seen other competitors for this is IE, and I've seen others like what's it called, like APR or Unitronic, things like that. Those are way more expensive and lower quality or too expensive for the same thing, you know. It's it does the same thing, just noise and things like that and aesthetic purposes, and it's just more money for that, you know. I think this fits perfectly.
Yeah. All right. Last of all, fuel economy. What do you think?
Well, it's not really noticeable, but it does save a little bit.
A little bit.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's better than nothing.
Yeah.
Would you give that 1 through 5?
A 4.
4.
Mm-hmm.
Because you can't really tell, but
yeah, you can't really
a
tell.
little bit sometimes.
It's better than nothing.
Yeah. All right. That's what we think. Well, what he thinks.
Overall, I would recommend it.
Recommend it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll leave all the products on here in the description. The other products, they're just cosmetic purposes and
Yeah, they're just more convenience mods.
yeah.
Yeah.
So thumbs up. We'll leave everything in the description.